What is a climate refugee? Lester Brown, an environmental activist, first used the phrase environmental migrant in 1976. In 85, the UN's Essam El Hanafi defined an environmental refugee as people forced to leave their homes because of significant environmental disruption, jeopardizing their existence and quality of life. Brown and El Hanafi started popularizing these terms in response to a disturbing trend. In the second half of the 20th century, global migration was seeing a sharp rise in people who'd been forced out of their homes by floods, famines, and fires. Now, people have always migrated around the world. For most of human history, the vast majority of those forced into exile were driven by political instability, threats of violence, and religious persecution. But by the 1990s, the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change was warning that the greatest single impact of climate change could be on human migration. In 2019, a report from UC Berkeley warned that climate change had become an existential crisis, increasingly recognized as a core driver of migration. From 2008 to 2016, 21.5 million people were displaced each year due to weather-related events, mostly in Africa, South Asia, and Latin America. The IEP predicts that by 2050, over 1.2 billion people may have been displaced due to the climate crisis. My neighborhood is burning as we speak. Our world is burning. And around the globe, people are losing homes, livelihoods, and history, becoming climate refugees in the process.